Ever wondered how the stars aligned for Capricorn in March 2024? Let's delve into it. March is a month of ambition for Capricorns, a time when your determination is fueled by the celestial bodies. As the sun rises on the first day of March, it brings a wave of resilience that will wash over you, strengthening your resolve and illuminating your path to success. You'll find yourself leaning into your innate ability to structure and organize, a trait that is quintessentially Capricorn. This month, Saturn, the ruler of your sign, exerts a strong influence, infusing you with a heightened sense of discipline. You'll feel an urge to climb higher, reach further, and strive harder. Your goals seem tangible, achievable, and you're more determined than ever to reach them. With Saturn as a guiding force, Capricorns, your unwavering dedication to your goals will be your greatest asset. Moving on to matters of the heart. As the stars align in March 2024, Capricorns will find their love life taking center stage. The cosmos is encouraging you to build upon the foundations of your relationships, fostering an environment of stability and mutual support. This is not a time for casual flings or fleeting attractions. No, Capricorns, it's a time to seek out those connections that have the potential to last, to grow, to weather the storms and bask in the sunshine together. For those already in partnerships, consider this a celestial nudge to reaffirm your commitment, to strengthen the bonds that hold you together. And for the single Capricorns out there, keep your heart open for a connection that could transform into a long-term relationship, one that resonates with your deep-seated desire for stability and mutual growth. Whether single or committed, the focus is on building strong, lasting connections. Now let's talk about your career and finances, Capricorn. As we move through March 2024, the stars indicate a time of professional growth and financial stability. The universe has recognized your hard work and dedication, and it's preparing to reward you handsomely. In your professional life, opportunities for advancement are on the horizon. You've been climbing steadily, showing perseverance and strategic thinking, and now it's time to reap the benefits. It's not just about getting to the top, but about how you get there. Your knack for strategic planning will serve you well this month, opening doors that were previously closed. Your financial situation is also set to improve. It's a great time to make wise investments that will secure your future. Whether you've been considering investing in property, stocks, or perhaps starting a side business, now is the time to act. Your careful planning and sensible decisions will ensure a steady stream of income and a solid financial foundation. This month, your career and finances intertwine beautifully, complementing each other. Your professional success will fuel your financial stability, and your wise investments will boost your confidence at work. It's a virtuous cycle that will keep on giving. Remember, Capricorn, every step you take this month is a step towards success. Your strategic approach and hard work are about to pay off, and the fruits of your labor will be sweet indeed. March promises to be a fruitful month on the professional front, with hard work and strategy paving the way for success. Health is wealth, as they say. Let's see what the stars have in store for your well-being, Capricorn. March 2024 is a time for you to pay attention to the delicate dance between hard work and rejuvenation. It's about understanding that your ambition needs to be fueled by a body and mind in prime condition. The cosmos encourages you to pursue activities that strengthen both body and mind. This could be anything from a brisk morning walk to an intense yoga session, or perhaps a peaceful meditation under the starlit sky. Let's not forget about the power of a balanced diet and plenty of water to keep you hydrated and ready to climb those mountains of ambition. And remember, sleep is not your enemy, but your ally in achieving your dreams. Remember to prioritize activities that boost your physical and mental resilience. Now go forth and conquer, Capricorn, with health and well-being as your trusted companions. Now, let's mark your calendar with some key astrological dates. March 2024 is brimming with celestial activity for Capricorn, but two dates stand out above the rest. The 16th and the 25th are days when the stars align in your favor, bringing potential for significant shifts in your life. First, let's talk about the 16th. This day is set to be a high point for your career, a time when your efforts could pay off in a big way. It's a day when the universe may reward your hard work and dedication. Whether it's a promotion, a new project, or an important recognition, the 16th is a day of potential professional triumph. Then we have the 25th. This day invites you to pause, reassess, and realign your personal goals. It's a time for introspection, a time to reflect on your path, and perhaps make some important decisions about your future. Whether it's about a relationship, a passion project, or a lifelong dream, the 25th could be a turning point for your personal journey. So there you have it. The 16th and the 25th are dates to watch out for in March 2024. These are not predictions but possibilities. The stars can guide us, but remember, it's your actions that shape your destiny. Keep these dates in mind as they could bring pivotal moments in your journey. As we wrap up, let's revisit the key points of your March 2024 horoscope, Capricorn. This month, ambition and resilience are the guiding stars leading you towards your goals. Your innate discipline is your most powerful tool, helping you climb the ladder of your aspirations with unwavering determination. In love, the focus is on stability and mutual support, whether you're in a committed relationship or seeking a meaningful connection. Professionally, your hard work and strategic thinking are about to pay off, opening doors to growth and recognition. Financially, it's a month of wise investments and savings, fortifying your security. Health-wise, remember to strike a balance between your ambitions and much-needed rest. And don't forget the key dates, the 16th and 25th, set to bring pivotal moments in your career and personal goals. Embrace the journey, Capricorn, and may your path be lined with success and fulfillment. Until next time.